Erin rapidly intensifying into a rare Category 5 hurricane. The powerful storm is in open waters, but bringing strong wind and waves to Puerto Rico and the Caribbean. Let's get straight to meteorologist Jeff Benson. You've been tracking this. In just 30 minutes, it exploded once again.
It's staggering, Morgan. You think about this. First and foremost, we went 24 hours from becoming a hurricane to turning into a Category 5 hurricane. And it was about 18 hours, late last night, it was still a 1, or about 8 p.m. last night. Here we are noontime, and it is a Category 5. So this is the definition, textbook, rapid intensification, tropical storm watch up for the St. Martin area. Again, the only good news really about this storm is that the path that it is projected to take is going to keep it away from any direct landfalls. But again, moving towards Puerto Rico, they're getting the wind and wave action right now. Soon they're going to get the rain action, flood watch in effect, up to 6 inches, maybe even more than that, of rainfall. And again, 160 mile per hour wind. So we were right on the threshold last hour at 155. All it needed was a slight bump, and boy, did it get it. Now, I love this graphic here. We're talking about how they figured this out in the time in which they did. We had a recon flight taken off from the U.S. Virgin Islands. There's Puerto Rico there, so not that far away. Here's the eye of Erin, and boy, is it a well-defined eye here. Has been since about, say, midnight or so. So the recon flight went right over that eye, making a couple of passes here, measuring a surface pressure of 960 millibars, which is very low and likely continuing to drop. And the wind speed here, again, they're a little bit higher up, so this could be a little inflated from what we're seeing at the surface level, but 200 mile per hour winds is what they recorded. So likely to become, stay a 5 as it approaches, getting close to the Bahamas and the the Turks and Caicos here. Maybe it weakens slightly into a 4, but still 150 mile per hour winds. 140 by Tuesday morning, continuing to weaken as it makes that pass and hook just to the north of Bermuda here. Still, even though a Category 2 projected by Wednesday into Thursday, 110 mile per hour winds. And look how close this is to the coastline here, which I'll talk about in a second. All being steered because of the Bermuda high weakening a little bit, and also this big upper level low that we have over the continental United States, helping to steer that on out of here, which again is good news. But look at these wave heights here as we go from Jacksonville up to the coastal Carolina region, Cape Hatteras, 8 to 12 feet swells here. Wouldn't be surprised to see maybe even a little bit higher than that. Again, if you're going out and doing any boating or even thinking of it, absolutely a bad idea. 6 to 8 for Long Island up towards Nantucket. Parts of, say, Block Island into South County and Rhode Island here could also be seeing those incredible waves. We're going to transition to